Welcome in Module 3. This module is focused on project design. We will analyze from the very beginning how to deal with a project, from the correct selection of a call for proposal to budget implementation. Lesson 1 is focused on how to select a call for proposal that is consistent with vision, mission, and outcomes desired in our organization and by our stakeholders. Lesson 2 is focused on how to deal with continuous change. How can we affect the change? And finally, on which tools we can use to clearly plan our desired actions. Lesson 3 is focused on how to establish a good partnership for our project and how to develop a consistent budget. Lesson 1 will begin with an analysis on how to understand our context in order to have a good background in designing the project. 3 tools will be discussed: problem tree technique, SWOT analysis, and stakeholder analysis. In the end, a simple methodology on how to select call for proposal will be discussed. Lesson 2 will begin with an analysis on how the continuous change in society can lead to new needs, and how can we manage this change. We will make connections between our organization vision and the activities that should be undertaken to reach our objectives. We will then focus on a very important tool used in project design, the logical framework approach, or LogFrame or LFA. This tool is used to clarify the link between activities and outputs, outputs and purpose, purpose and goals, making our project consistent and monitoring it through a set of indicators. Finally, Lesson 3 is focused on how to build an effective consortium of our project and how to develop a comprehensive budget. We will analyze why a right partnership is essential for a project success and how can we manage to find good partners. We will then consider some useful techniques of cooperation and communication among partners. We will then focus on budget. What is it? Why it is so important? Which are the main parts of it? In order to be very practical, we will analyze some examples of budget costs in a grassroots sport project. We will then share an overall framework of budget implementation, developing an example of grassroots project. Thank you for your attention and see you soon in Lesson 1.